Every time you hear the words fast money, your brain probably screams scam. And honestly, most of the time, it's right. But I have brought to you a system that does the boring, repetitive work while you only approve action. The system doesn't promise you millions, doesn't ask you to trade, nor does it ask for any skills. It is made for lazy people who want to print cash without headaches. In the next 40 seconds, we will see if it really works. FastBot Money is a cloud-based automated system designed to help users generate online income without creating product, running ads, or doing manual work. And the setup is super easy. You activate the bot with a simple copy and paste. The system connects you to built-in monetization methods that activate multiple income streams for you in less than 30 seconds. The bot handles the execution automatically. That's literally it. All you need is a Wi-Fi and phone to earn $500 a day with this system. But what makes it hot in the market is not the simple setup. It's something else. I'll tell you. The real appeal of Fast Money Bot is automation. Most people don't fail online because they're lazy. They fail because systems are complex and time-consuming in the name of passive income. But this tool is designed for beginners who want a plug-and-play setup. It runs quietly in the background while you focus on your job, studies, or other businesses. It is dirt cheap at just $14 one-time payment. Doesn't come with any upsells. And the best part, it is backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee. So even if you doubt this tool of a scam, you've a safety net. Try it. If it doesn't work, simply claim your money back. If you're looking for a simple, automated way to test online income, Fast Money Bot is worth checking out. Just go in with the right expectations. This is a system, not magic. Check the link in the description to see how it works. And subscribe if you want more honest reviews. See you super soon with another one.